White Resonant Worldbridger, Day 7 of the wave that we are in, the wave of yellow sun, the 4th wave in the first castle. The castle is 52 days and has 4 waves of 13 days that take us on an elemental journey. The fire element, red, white, the air element, blue, the water element, and now yellow, the earth element. And the yellow wave is about what will be produced, is what is brought into being. And we've been on this journey, and we've begun this year of 2021 in this castle. So these 52 days are setting the tone of the year ahead. And the yellow wave of yellow sun is about awakening and consciousness. Yellow sun represents the crown chakra, and the fire, ignition, the light that is consciousness that collapses creations into form. So everything is existing in the field of pure potentiality, in the dark antimatter, as it were, in the blue night, and then the light of consciousness. The light of consciousness collapses a creation into reality. So we are conscious creators. However, we need to wake up and remember who we are. And this wave of yellow sun, we are all ourselves, because there is only 20 archetypes. So when we add the archetype to our archetypal number, we end up with our own archetype. So the sun and awakening is about awakening to who we really are and awakening to how we create our reality so that we can reclaim the power to do so. And today is the 7th day in the wave, and it's the attunement point. And consciousness needs to attune to the fact that this is a big creation. There are multi-dimensions to this reality, and we are multi-dimensional beings. We are mental realm beings, mental realm beings, emotional beings, physical beings, energy beings, spirit beings. There are all these different levels of who we are, and we need to understand that, because we need to understand how things flow from the immaterial into the physical reality that we are experiencing, because we also exist in a immaterial level. And so this consciousness awakening, Worldbridger, attuning to the multidimensional nature of who we are, being conscious of our multidimensional nature and the bigger picture, surrendering to that multidimensional truth that will set us free and empower us to be conscious creators of our reality. So Worldbridger obviously represents bridging worlds within and without, bridging the worlds between the energy being and the mental being, and bringing all of those into resonance with each other, into vibrational attunement, so that I can be integrated as a whole being. And this is what we have to do, because we're very fragmented and our awareness is very fragmented. We might be very awake in a certain area and very unawake in other areas, very unconscious and driven by the subconscious. So awakening is becoming aware of all of the multidimensional nature of who you are and bringing that into presence and into creative action now. So this is what the awakening is about, and today is a good day to surrender to the bigger picture, embrace and attune with the different parts of yourself, the different worlds within you, and see the bigger picture.